Huatai Intelligent Solutions no more anxiety about continuous operation for edible oil plants. Once your leaching workshop starts running, it needs to operate non-stop for a long time. Safe and stable performances, always the top concern for every oil plant owner. Our solution: reveal your feeding and discharging workshop with smart technology. First, safety. Traditional safety relies on manual inspection and responsibility, but human attention has limits. We move safety logic to the front end. Real-time exhaust monitoring, automatic judgment, interlock protection. Once an abnormality occurs, the whole production line responds automatically. Second, operation in the past. Stability depended on senior technicians. When they recon, performance drops. Our system changes that PLC full process automatic control. From feeding to discharge, stable and consistent. Visualize the interface. Fully traceable. Only one operator per shift is enough. Third, maintenance. Continuous production as worst fear. Unexpected equipment breakdowns. We fix weak points in advance. Wear-resistant scraper chains. External bearings for easy maintenance. Fourth, energy consumption. Many workshops save energy by guesswork, not data. We make it controllable. Max extraction efficiency. Solvent residue below 0.5%. No heat wasted. Our waste heat recovery system feeds energy back into production. Every kilowatt of electricity, every ton of steam oil, visible in the system. We provide customized solutions based on your actual needs and production process. We offer EPC turnkey solutions, one stop, hassle-free. Choose Huatai Group, the professional equipment manufacturer for edible oil plants.